Hello there, welcome back. We are going to start putting this cab back together, this driver's side. I got all of the patch panels that I needed to order, so we can go straight ahead and start getting these pieces cut and put back in. All right, the camera took a spill there, so I tried fixing the camera and then didn't work, so I ended up getting a new one. So we're on the GoPro Hero 8 now, so it's gonna look and sound a little bit different than the first half, but that's the reason. It's probably better that I use a GoPro anyway. It's a little more durable. It's what I started the channel with. So yeah, let's just continue where we left off. We'll be getting the front portion of the floor done, and we'll go from there. Right, a little time has passed. I've got this almost all the way burnt in. I've got a little bit of a gap here, not too terribly bad, but I gotta fill that here just a bit once I get that clamp out. And then this, I wanted to add some rigidity, and I've done this over on the other side, but what I'm gonna do is this has to be pressed back, and then we'll spot weld that on there so there's overlap. All this is all butt weld for the most part. There's a couple areas where there's a slight overlap, but that's what we'll do there. Then 2 right through here, and then 2 right through there, and then a little bit of metal work to get this to close up. And once we get that to happen, then this will be done and we can continue on with the inner rocker. well. Got everything that I wanted to get done finally. Got all the floor done, the cab corner, and that pillar finished up. So all we have left really on this driver's side is the inner and outer rocker. I actually did get started on the inner rocker, and then I ran out of wire and I'm pretty low on gas. So this whole quarantine thing is going to make things a little bit interesting, that's for sure. I would like to say that I could definitely get more work done, but not having all of the supplies, I'll have to order that and see when that comes in. Yeah, it's coming together slowly but surely, and we'll get this thing eventually on its back, and then we can clean up the underside, and then we can be pretty much done with the cab. So we'll keep knocking things off the list one by one, but so far so good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.